magic under Keely's light. Hook in hand, we're gonna start today. Hook in love will show the way.
So today we are looking at making this beautiful edging. It is an alternative to making a crop stitch. It gives a neat, more even finish, and I'm calling it the twisted single crochet. There might be an actual different name for it, but that's what I'm calling it. So I hope you enjoy the tutorial, and I am going to be doing more tutorials in the future, so please subscribe, and it'll be happy to have you along for the ride. So in this tutorial I am going to edge this granny square with a contrasting colour, and I am going to do an edging which is it mimics the crab stitch. I've been calling it the twisted single crochet, but you call it whatever you want. I'm not sure if it's actually got a proper name. Probably it has, and somebody will be able to tell me. So all I've done is I've chained into, so I slip stitched and then chained into the corner. Well, it's not quite the corner, but stitch there. I am pulling through as if I'm going to make a single crochet, and then the next step is to wrap my yarn around around the front, bring it back to the back, so we've got this section of yarn that comes around, and then I'm going to carry on and make my single crochet as normal. So I mean this is the extra bit of the single crochet that mimics the crab stitch. So we're going to go into the next stitch and we're going to do exactly the same. So I'm going to draw the loop up, and then before completing it I am wrapping from around the front to the back, then yarning over and pulling through. So I'll do that again. And again. So this gives a really lovely modern edging. So sometimes when we're, I don't know, making a blanket, you know, completing an item, some of the edgings are very pretty, but maybe a little bit staid and overdone, or maybe you think they're a little bit old-fashioned, whereas this type of edging produces a lovely clean finish that looks like it's a finished edge, you know, that there's nothing else to go on top, and also it's very modern looking, so it can really elevate the piece of work that you're making. Now, I'm not sure I would put these two together as a colour combo, however, it does highlight the colours for you. I'm just going to go to this end and then we'll have a look at the whole row. Here we go. And do one more. And you'd still do the same in the corners to go around. And that is the look it gives you. Let me just make sure that's, you see at the top. It's very neat, very even, gives this lovely finish. So I hope you enjoy doing it. I would love for you to get in touch and show me what you've done. You can either tag me on Instagram at hooking_love or on Facebook, and that's at hookinglovebykeely, or, you know, reply on YouTube if you're watching this on YouTube. But I would love to see what you've done and what you thought about it. So take care and happy hooking.